guys, I am Sahitya. Today in this video we will be discussing about one more data structure, that is list. List is an ordered collection of elements in which the elements have been enclosed within the square brackets and the elements in list are modifiable. Let us open Chrome and open safety.dev website and sign in with your email and create some random file using touch command. Enter list for sample. Let the variable name be L1. Enter some random values to perform some basic functions of list. Firstly, we will be knowing how to extract an individual element from list. For that, type print and in parentheses type variable name, which is L1 here, and in square brackets type the index of the element which you want to extract. And now run the code in the terminal. I have extracted the element which is at 0 index, that is 1. And to modify a list, you have to do like this. Just wait. For that, you have to enter the variable name, and in brackets you have to enter the index whose value you want to change, and then enter for what value you have to change. I am changing the element value which is at a 0th index. You can see here the output is 100, so that the value of 1 has been changed to 100. And let's see how to add a new element to the list. For that, you have to type a variable name which is L1 here dot append. Append is to add, and then type the value or something else which you want to add to the existing list. Let it be some random number. And now you have to print out a list, so you will be knowing whether the code is right or wrong. So you can see here 7 has been added to the ending of the list. And now you can also remove the last element of the list by using pop. So that for that you have to replace append with pop. And now print the list again. Then you will be getting an output 1 2 because the 3 has been popped out. As we didn't mention the index, the last element will be removed, and if we add the value or element will be added to the ending of the list. And you can also reverse the existing list by using variable name dot reverse. So you have to type L1 dot reverse, and now print L1 and run the code. So you can see 1 to 3 has been reversed to 3 to 1. Let us clear the terminal screen just for a comfort. And if you can also add elements to any specified index. For that you have to use insert. Let's see that's how. So you have to type L1 dot insert, and in the parentheses firstly you have to type the index value to at which you want the element, and type the value which you want to add to the list. So I'm added the value 6, the element 6 at the first index. So you can see in the output 6 has been placed in the first index. And you can also concatenate two lists. For that you have to create one more list to concatenate. Let the variable name be L2, and now enter some random values. I'm entering 5 and 6, and now you have to wait. Let us change it to command instead of deleting and wasting of our time. And here you have to print L1 plus L2 to concatenate the two lists, that's to combine the lists. You can see here the two lists have been combined, and you can also repeat any particular list several times. And now I want to repeat the first list for 2 times. For that I have to type the list name into the number of times you have to repeat the list. So you can see first list have been repeated 2 times. At the beginning of the video, we have seen how to extract individual element from a list by using the indices 0, 1, 2, 3 from the start. And one more thing what I want to tell you is, you can also index the values from the last by using -1. Let's see how this works. For that you have to enter the same as you done before, but in the place of index in the square brackets you have to enter -1 for the last element, and for the last second element you have to enter -2. That is, indexing starts from 0 from the first, and starts from -1, -2 and so on from the last. You can see by entering -1 as index, output is 3. So from the last, the index value is -1. Let us again clear the terminal screen. And if one more type of extracting is using is to symbol before and after the index value. If I type 2 is 2 and run the code, you will be getting the element 3. That is, we'll be getting the element from that index to ending. And if you use is to symbol before the 2, you will get the element before that indices, from start to before that indices. So you can see as the index 2, here the value is 3. You have used is to symbol before that, and the output is before the second indices. We have all gone get the output, that is 1:1, 2. And these are the basic and simple operations of list. That's all about list. Thank you for this video.